purchased the Atkins Rotary coolant pressure tester for the engine itself. You'll have two bolts that are screwed in with these sets of washers and a nut. Yeah, you'll have your gaskets. What threw me off for a bit was you have this plate with the valve to put air into the system, and you have your gauge. You only have to use two bolts that come with the kit. It'll throw you off because there's another third thread hole here. And with the kit, you'll have these plugs. So hopefully this helps somebody, because I kind of had to puzzle it and figure it out. I bolted these two bolts up to the spec of 18 foot-pounds, I believe. And let's see what happens. We'll do what the system pressure is, about 16. Nice, seems like it's holding. I'll wait 10 minutes. But that's one part of the testing system. I'm not sure yet. I still have to bolt this on and see if this kit is also testing from this side of the engine, because it comes with a gasket, and it seems like the bolt hole pattern on that plate, that pressure plate, seems like it lines up with this. But I'm starting with that just so that way I know the whole engine housing is not leaking, which hopefully is just tightening up these. But hopefully this helps somebody. Well, in a bittersweet series of events, we found that little leak. Quite the buzzkill. But I guess in the silver lining of things, better to find this out while we can still tear apart and see what's going on. Yeah, hopefully I help somebody. Shit.